Mindy Hibbard Real Estate proudly presents 15831 3rd Avenue Southeast Mill Creek. Have you ever desired a serene and natural setting in the heart of the city? If so, you've just found the one. This 2+ acre parcel is nestled off a long aggregate concrete driveway, which takes you to this custom craftsman built by Precision Homes. 3-car garage and covered front porch, an open foyer to greet your guests, an office on the main level to accommodate those who work from home, a comfortable and functional family room with built-in bookcases, multiple sets of French doors, hardwood floors on most of the main, chef's kitchen boasting granite countertops, under cabinet lighting, a walk-in pantry, double ovens, and a gas range with hood, stainless steel appliances, an entertainer's true delight, a garden window offering territorial views of the backyard and deck. This functional island at the center of the hub of the home offers the chef additional workspace and bar seating to conversate. This lower level mudroom offers access from the backyard, French doors leading to the master retreat, signature vaulted ceilings, an abundance of windows offering natural light, a full bath ensuite with dual vanities, an oversized full-service laundry room, open, light, and bright, 3 additional bedrooms on the upper level. This home boasts indoor and outdoor sprinkler systems, built-in indoor and outdoor speakers. This bonus room on the upper level above the garage is plumbed for a wet bar and provides access to the backyard. French doors lead to your entertaining deck and backyard oasis. Precision Homes had you in mind, details not forgotten. Volumes of value and an opportunity to own. Luxury meets lifestyle. Welcome home.